That's good. What's up? How's it going? How are you guys doing? I'm looking on the other screen because I'm on two screens. Crazy, bit of a crazy day. Even right now, I'm in 3 different stocks as we speak. Whoa. Nice. ITRM just snapped, obviously. Very busy day. Yeah, crazy day today. I'm not far off $1,000 today. The market's really turning the right way. I'll go through the stocks. Let's get more people in. But so far, everything's working like clockwork. It's really good. I've got the YouTubers in. Just guys say hello and who you are and how I know you and stuff like that, just to get this thing rolling. We'll try and this will be like a live trading thing. Saying that, on the live trading thing, I wonder when Sykes should have a webinar or something that I want to join. Let's see when that is. I'm just passing the 800 mark up today, so it's a really nice day for me. I haven't made 800 in a while. And when is the next Sykes webinar? Tuesday, 12 till 1. 12 Eastern. Nice, I'll watch that. Okay, there's 40 of you in here. Guys, say hello. Who's here? What are you doing? I have one comment on Twitter. Ah, shit. Okay, perfect. All the comments just came through at once. Well, hello, everyone. Nice to see you all in. Guys, let's go straight to the trades because I need to keep an eye on several positions. Let's take I don't know if I can show you this. Nah, kind of, because it's going to fuck up anything. Okay, so first of all, I'm in several positions. ITRM, most important. ITRM's we trade 0-1 as up 100, then I basically, okay. ITRM, I'll quickly explain. One and done, one and done, one and done. Same strategy that I always look for, and we'll be going a little bit quick here. This is me trade 0 small account. It's a short. It's based on data. If you want the data that I've collected for years, and you want to be with trade 0, they have all the borrows. So click on the link below, and we'll sort that out. But basically, the data that I've got shows, and I'm looking to and from screens because I'm in a few trades. Look, there's just tons of bag holders here. We've got like 200 million bag holders in ITRM. Stuff like this generally will finish at the lows, and then ITRM, when it pushed today, we got it. I mean, look, we should get it down to the like ones, honestly. I mean, I've got this in trade 0, so sadly I'm gonna have to take, I'll be covering at $1, well, 101 to be safe, because I think there's a few rules around under $1. You want $1? You give me $1? $1 reminds us of me thingy days. So yeah, so I mean that'll be ITRM. Look, I made 100, then lost 100 on the way up because I know that these junk stocks with bag holders, 12 million float, so it's not that low. I know these junky stocks can like pop up, but I didn't expect this kind of squeeze up to the 130s from the 103s. It's like 15% push on 19 million volume. I'm not used to seeing that. So I cut to that VWAP, got back in on the fail, and I'm holding it down to the 101s. I expect it'll probably go back sub 1. Just purely because of its day here, this big day here on 200 million, it give it all back. So it'll definitely give it all back on 20 million in the afternoon. The big trade of the day was ACOR. 660, 670, something like that. Did well on it. Good to size up on it a bit. I mean, look, just absolutely terrible chart. Downward trend. Never has multiple days running at the same time. And we had the gap. And I was in this very early in the morning in the 140s. Came down really. So like, look, it's down a ton, right? But all of its volume, it's just cracking. So these kind of charts that pop up on really light volume and come down on heavier volume are generally really good shorts. So I was shorting into the VWAP area, took it off at the open. And then when it pushed out the open, I was a bit early, but luckily not much size. So I could add into this push. As a 40 million float, full of dilution. I mean, look, I was playing the odds. It's a risky game, but I was playing the odds that this spike was, what do you call it? This spike was the manipulators, the people behind the scenes. They're just pushing this up to get more dilution off. And I've seen it a lot of times with the sub pennies. It can go like 100% posh, but never really seen it with like, and this is close because it came from some sub penny, but with these stocks like $1, $2, I've not really seen huge manipulation pushes. So I was expecting, one halt and it's done, and that's what happened. And I mean, look, that's hindsight trading. I've just got back in small size on this little push with the 114s, but I want to take you through my Facebook trades. So I'm just going basically through these. But ACOR, like I say, look, it's so heavy and all of the volume's down. So I shorted the VWAP rejection and then I shorted the push. Yeah, I'm playing a bit of a devil's game, shorting blindly a bit. I always say to myself, and I never follow my own rules, but you want to wait for the first red candle, first red 5-minute candle at the open, because you've got first green, second green, first red. When you start seeing the wick even start sizing in, you've got a 150, 145 average. I mean, it's really sitting well to take this down to the 90s and the 80s if you play this rule. And the rule's so easy to respect. And also for cutting losses, you're like, it's made a new high, not on 1 minute, but 5 minutes. So it's a slightly stronger level of resistance for me. KXIN is really turning into me kind of second favorite trade of the day. And guys, throw tickers and ask questions. We can do a bit longer because everything seems to be going well. KXIN, you all know, some very big shorts took really bad losses on this. I saw. And honestly, I'm new to first red days, and I've been good. Like, I'm profitable on them, but I don't really know what I'm doing, and I mess them up a lot. What's up, guys? $1. Okay, you guys can yes. There's Bram. Love you, brother. So for KLIN, I've been tracking data. I'm not going to give it away really because it's still fresh data and new, and I'm still figuring it out. But these gap downs where it's gone parabolic and then just overnight changed dramatically direction, they tend to be good first red days, and I'm thrown into a push. And the thing is, you think, well, where do I risk from? And what, I'm going to risk from like 14s? And the reality is that the momentum has so drastically changed that they generally don't push. So with KXIN, I was short into the push at the open, covering in the 5s, shorting the double top, bit squeezy, worried, shorting this double top here in the 690s. And then this time I'm not covering the double bottom. I mean, this has downside to like the 4s. So I'm just going to play it and see how much I can get. I'm up like 13% on it now. So I'm just going to go for like 20, 30%. I've already took me like 10% on it once. So like, this is like free money. I'm just going to try and take 20, 30%, maybe catch that 1K day. Be the first one in a while. But KXIN, yeah, we're literally hitting the double bottom. You might get one more push, but it's running out of steam. Like, you'll get the reversals like 9:30, 9:45, 10:15, but the stock's at its lower days. at 11 o'clock. Oh, I don't think that's too bad to be adding into that short. You might be getting one final push at like 590. It's funny, I saw HTZ do the same, like the momentum shift and the market's getting bearish. SPY had a really bad day yesterday. It's just turning around now. HTZ's giving it all back as well. We saw that kind of, we saw this similar crack at like 10:15, 10:20, turnaround time, didn't turn around. So KXIN looks like it's going to flush, and that'll be like another little $100. Playing small size, very small size, because I'm still adapting and practicing and adjusting to this strategy. But we can see KXIN and Bram, me little data friend. Bram, this is the first red day in action, mate. I've already explained the strategy and this element with you on the daily, and now we're seeing the 10%, the push, and then it's coming down now. ACOR is really falling apart. I'm up like 10% on that, 13% on KXIN. Crazy day, very good. But the main player that I really loved, and then we'll do a couple of questions, is Facebook. I'm just learning longs, getting better at longs, and then we'll do questions. So on Facebook, oh, sorry, yeah, I explained ITRM, it's still coming down, it's fine. On Facebook, if you look closely, there's a lot of like, it closed. Right, I'm just really trying to explain this well to you guys. On Facebook, it closed here, then it opened here. These daily resistance levels really matter on these higher price stocks. Then it closed here, then it closed here, then it pushed off here after having a low of day. Then it supported here, then it closed here, then it opened here and held, then it closed here and held, then it pushed off here low of day. Then it fell through, but it closed here again. Then it gave it back up, but then look, support becomes resistance. It topped here. Then it lower day supported here. Then we're in resistance here. And then what's it going to be today? When we see it come back, it's going to be resistance again. So when we see, look, when we see this is resistance, like this line of 267 is resistance, because it's acted as support, resistance, open, closed so many times on this channel. So you look in at this 267 line. Look at Facebook now. It was a perfect trade. So we've got this 267 line here. And where did it top out intraday? Exactly at 267. Now you've got to keep in mind this is just one indicator. We have the trend break here. So I shorted the trend break. So I had the trend break and I had the 267. And it's overextended. That's 3. And look, what time is it? 10:10. All of these higher price stocks follow the SPY. What did the SPY do at 10:10? 10:18, top in, collapsed. So it started collapsing at 10:22. When did Facebook start reversing? Facebook started pulling at 10:27. 5 minutes later, everyone's looking at the SPY thinking, fuck, market's shaky, elections are coming up. SPY's dropped. I'm selling me Facebook position. It's already at resistance. It's already broke the trend. It's already overextended on the day. Like, and this is how you trade. This is how you figure this shit out. And look, I mean, look, I took like 266 down to like 265, and now it's at 264. Like, there's no reason why we can't see like a kind of a 263, 264 double bottom, because it's rejected the key level that it constantly rejects. In terms of ACOR, let's just check up on it. And then guys, fair pick as I'm done. I hope that there's some good lessons. I hope these trading large stocks on a small account challenge thing, but it's like all in the name of Trade Zero, so I'm sure it's all good. I'm not sure with that what to do, to be honest. I might just take it off. How much more size it got on the daily? This could come all the way down. I don't know. Guys, comment yes or no. Should I take ACOR off around the $1? $1? Should I take ACOR off or shall I leave it on? I've got a feeling it's going to finish more low because of its. Should I take ACOR off at $1 or should I see it down to the 90s? You tell me. KXI's double bottomed higher low, but we'll see what happens. Again, I'm live all of these positions. Yeah, I'm up like 840 on the day, so I need 160 more. I'm not going to go for the 1,000. So let's just get some comments up. Quickly see who's saying what. See what we're going to answer. One sec, APTX. And I'm not, as fun as it is to show me face, it's not worth it. APTX, for fuck's sake. It's a decent gap and fill, lightish volume, lower high. Yeah, I'd be covering around there as well. Where have you been this morning? Roscoe, I thought you was going to send us a link so I could jump in a chat with you guys, but you didn't send us anything. And then I was in a few different stocks, but I wanted to be in, Jack. I'm glad you're in. Henrik, nice to see you, brother, again. The big man getting smaller because I'm doing these fasts these days, losing weight. First day on the drink in a few days. Gavin, what's up? Donna McFadden, nice. Good morning. Morning, Donna. Morning, Mike. Clint, I read, bro. It's very nice of you to say, Clint. So basically, I'm working on new data in new Excel across various patterns. I haven't sent Clint first red day yet. I'm still working on it, but various like predicting where stocks will hold and based on what volume, the correlation of the volume to the high of data that they'll have. I'm still working on it, but give Clint a preview for $100, and he's happy, so that's nice. But it's not for sale. Yeah, Henrik, I need to look at your Excel. Yes, brother, you're looking mighty fine on your picture. Day 29, and that's the thing. Like, there's good times and bad times in the market, and I've lost for 3 years. But at the end of the day, 29 days straight. I think one day I missed, but I did a double day for it. So, like, at the end of the day, it's showing up every day. That makes a winning trader. It's easy to say on a 750 to 800 day though. $1. Jack's been to Thailand. What do you think of NTC? Have a look at the daily. Jesus, mate. Dude, this is a really nice breakout of NTC in the 250s. It's since went parabolic. The volume's too light. Cannot be trading this. You cannot be trading. I mean, look, it's kind of gone parabolic. It looks obviously manipulated. You've got to wait for a first red day on these. And like a decent first red day, you want it opening in the fucking 570s, 580s. Like, you need a decent first red day on this. Otherwise, you don't want to be in. CBLI, perfect intra bounce short. 350. Yeah, it is a decent bounce short, mate. You know what you're doing. Nice resistance on 5. The borrows were dead expensive everywhere for me. But yeah, what was the volume? 100 mil. Yeah, so a nice squeeze. Looks done. I think the 350s is not a bad prediction, mate. Might get more, might get less, but yeah. Borrows are too expensive on that one. GI $5. Wait, what? Is that a ticker you see? No. Ivana, what's up? Nice to see ya. I hope it works okay for you. Oh shit, it's not Ivana, it's Yvonne. Sorry, Yvonne. Yvonne, how's it going? Shit. Ellie Carpenter, hang in there. It's all going well, brother. Jack, don't listen to anyone here, make your own decisions. No, I'm just fucking with you guys. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm not in much though. See you down. You are kicking ass and taking names. Thanks, Mike. Dude, I just got back, mate. It's all good. It's all good. Don't worry. Not about a day. 800, brother. 850-ish, I think it's now, you know. I'm up, yeah, it's 850. It's going well. Best OT swizzle type screener. God knows what that means. But it's a wrap. Doing well. Small account. We got from 1.8 to 3.6. I think it's like 2.4 something now. No, 1.8 to 3.6. Well, what's it now? Look. Yeah, anyway, it's fucking, I'm about $400 off the highs. Is that it? Right. For the rest of this episode, I'm not talking about stocks. SPYs went red. But I've also got a short on the SPY. Tiny starter. I'm just going to build into it because I think things are going to fall apart in the elections. So now if you guys want to talk to us, 3K shares, yeah. Dude, expensive everywhere, right? And Trade Zero, that's not Trade Zero's price, it's an auction price. APTX. I'll have a quick look. I think there was no borrows for APTX. Yeah, good day. I'm losing weight, eh? I think ACOR's fell through. Dude, when you fucking marry us, so we're gonna have a civil partnership visa. I need an American girlfriend, man. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Yes, sir. Mate, imagine if Stella sponsored us, how good that would be. This could be 1K. I'll tell you what, I'll stay on and watch it. We'll have it, yeah. Because everything seems to be everything's working really well. I think I may as well stay on to hit 1K. I'm up 700. If you don't count the commissions, I'm up 920. What's 920 plus 70? 990. Yeah, I'm passing the 1K mark on the day. Realized, so it's not great. I'm not like making thousands, but it's good. A lot of people do a lot better, but ACOR's really fallen apart. So I mean, we may as well zero in on it. And if you guys have got any more questions, we can discuss it. I'm taking this off at some point. Like it's too much. That's taking that off. Wow, this is serious. Have you guys seen this? This is like a short seller's dream. My God, what is going on? Jesus Christ. I'm out. Very nice. Probably goes lower. Let's see. Maybe we'll get the 92s, yeah. But I'm out. I'll see if we'll get the 92s, yeah. On the side note, fucking loads of alarms. Keep an eye on ITRM. I'm looking for a 101 cover. It's at 102. May as well take that off. 500 market out of ITRM. I was looking for 101, it's at 102. I'm like, whatever. That's 71 plus 850 is 850 realized. 71 is 930. So it all comes down to KXIN. So ITRM, nice. And lastly, KXIN is the last stock I'm in. No rush to be in another one. And we are breaking lows there as well. SPY, the SPY is absolutely falling apart. The reason why things are working out so well. I think you might see even further lows on the ACOR. It's crazy. So KXIN, we're looking for lows. I mean, this has honestly got, if you look on 15s, it's got down to the 450s. So we'll call the whole dollar though. Like I'll be out for, say, I'll put the order in 515, 512, let's say. No, I'd say 515. I said it first. Say 515 above the whole dollar. 517 I've gone for. That order's in 517 KXIN. It's one of those days where things have just worked out. Praise God. Praise the universe. I must have been meditating. I have been. Any other questions? I'm just here. I'm waiting basically now for KXIN to fall through. Got 537. My order's 517. It's coming down, thick and fast. Yeah, the 20s. Please, someone talk to us. I'm lonely. Pretty much 1K realized. Heading up is KXIN. KXIN hits the 517s. It's fallen now. We're on live stream. If that falls, that'll make the $1,000 day realized. Talking through the trades on YouTube. Realized. Heading up is KXIN. KXIN hits the 517s. It's fallen now. We're on live stream. If that falls, that'll make the $1,000 day realized. I don't even know what that means. BTGN. Didn't see that this morning. Wow, it's a nice runner. Not really doing much. I think me filters on stocks to trade are shit. Hang on, let's go to Turin. WAI is actually traded 6 mil. No history. These look like chat pumps all the time. 166% up. What sector is this? Financial services. It's China. Oh no, I don't know what this is. The crazy thing with this is like the last time it pushed, it topped at 272. It's at 230 now, but it's got much more volume than the past. These kind of stocks, like sometimes I get tempted to just start with 100, then if it goes 20%, add 200, then if it goes 30%, add 400. I get dead tempted to average into these, but you just never know which one's just gonna scream and go crackers. What else we got? APTX. Oh, PPSI is back. No way. Is that today that push, is it? Wow. It's a nice squeeze. So basically what's happened here is you'll get like long-term swing shorts that have like shorted first red day, and a lot of them will hold or add. And then now you've got this kind of, this line isn't very good, but can I do another one? You've got this break. So you've got this trend down, and we've just gapped up above it, then held it, and then now's the first green day off it. And we've got this squeeze. If you check it on 2 minutes, I mean, look, I'll tell you what, it's easier to see on 15s. Just clear all the lines. And I need to download, Dan Irish won't be watching this, so I need to download a poker thing so I can give him a game. But I want to thank that Dan Irish for kind of teaching us longs. He's trying. See how this looks. Yeah, so this is the kind of short selling on 15s. You've got this trend all the way down. And then when it breaks this trend, it's quite interesting how it broke it. You've got this wick that supports it exactly, and you've got the whole $3. You've got a really nice long 25% 3 to 4. It's just a short squeeze of shorts covering, I would guess. KXIN's at 533. We'll jump back on that because I think I'm about to get me cover. Hoping around $100 for that. Another $100. That'll be 200 on KXIN. We're looking at 517. Get doing. I'm really pleased with how I traded this. You talk about being prepared. You need to be prepared. You need to be prepared when you're trading. And you're like, well, how do I be prepared? And well, you get prepared by looking at first red day after first red day after first red day forever until you really know how the pattern plays out and which are the best first red days. 3 cents off. There's a lot of support at 520. But I've seen so many first, like I didn't have a clue how to play first red days. I made, yeah, I'm out. Nice. It's 170 on that. 940 plus 70 is $1,010 today. Nice. Perfect. Great day. Great day. But you like first red day is like this, the stock market's like the opposite to how you should think and feel and trade. And then like shit, I made all, like you look back at all the first red days, you save all the charts, right? Of everyone that you've seen, like, oh, these ones work. And the tricks are here, here, and here, and here. And I need to trade them like this, this, and this. So I'm really proud of KXIN because just tuned into your live. I need to turn my WhatsApp off. Bridget's a data scientist who's just popped up on my WhatsApp there. Hang on, I need to like close that. But yeah, like I say, 1K is awesome day. KXIN, the target's hit. The only thing I haven't really shown you guys is, yeah, I'm short the SPY. I mean, look, you've got the only other, like this is like a long-term swing. It's a new thing, but you've got the top at 358. You've got crazy overextension. You've also got sorry, let's clear these lines. It's getting worse and worse. But let's just stick with the lines. You've got the top at 358. You've got your lower high, 354. And then it was this big red day. I was like, oof, we're 2 weeks away from the elections. And that is a bit of a nasty red day. It reminds us of this red day, which made us think, if I can get size into a winner and get somewhere near, like, I don't know, I'm in 3 grand short, so if I can get anywhere near 20, 30 grand in the SPY, but averaging into a winner so I don't do anything like stupid. 10%, 30 grand, 3 grand, 10%, 20 grand, 2 grand. But again, like, I'm looking for a move like this that I can add into. But I mean, ideally, I was hoping to get somewhere near the 347s, 348, 350s, another, like a green day tomorrow. Then it rolls over. That's what I'm hoping for. I want to add in more size and then add to the winner. That's the plan. Great to see it working out for you again. Yes, mate. And Clint, I'm always here to help you. Let us know when you can trade, and I'm ready to make like help you basically. What percentage of your shorts are started pre-market and when the market opens? I'm in all trades that I'm going to take at the open. I'm in like 80% of them free, like 80, because I really like to get a feel of how they move. So yeah, I'm in, but generally also what I'll do, and like this is the perfect way to explain ACOR. Like there's like moves pre-market and moves at the open. So ACOR, just go to like 2-minute chart. ACOR had several moves. I didn't get this one because I can't short this time, but had the trend break, yeah, on light volume. That was the best move of the day, pre-market. The second move of the day was this VWAP rejection, where it couldn't even get up to VWAP. Sorry, that's the wrong line. Couldn't even get up to VWAP. We got the double top yeah at 130. And the final move was to, when it goes kind of parabolic, it's to look for the first red 5-minute candle. And that's the third move. So I took the second move and the third move to take like the 700-ish on it. And you want to be looking for the big wick on the 5 minutes for the parabolic rejection. So yeah, I take, but I generally try and make 300 or 400 pre-market, 300, and then I'll use that 300 as like risk money to like size up on stuff that I think will fail, but I can't quite predict exactly where, but I want to be in it. So I try and make 300 pre-market and then short into the open and use that as risk. So say like if something really goes wrong, like I'm down 300, then maybe I'm down 100 of my own money. So I'm down 4, but then when it reverses, I'm up 700 or 800. So that's kind of what I try and do. It's a fucking great question, mate. Probably not. It's really parabolic, eh? I'm terrible at using this. JKS, generally when you're looking for shorts with stuff like this, you want the trend line to be followed, and then you want exactly what you've got. Yeah, you want this push off the trend line, the parabolic, and then the moves over. But with JKS, this is perfect price action to signal it's near the end. It's like the final squeeze of the shorts. Nice to have a bit more volume. But I mean, this looks like the end. But the question is, how much are they going to exhaust and squeeze the shorts before you get the reversal? And I'd like to be starting in right now, but if I'm being honest, I can see this like starting in the 90s, 93, 94, very small size, playing off 100, I wouldn't be surprised, and you've heard it here first, I wouldn't be surprised to see this hit 100 and then dead, and it's going back to the 20s. Might not, but 100's a big round number, and stocks play off these round numbers. I don't know who Nancy Pelosi is, but that's cool. Why not just buy the UVXY? Because, dude, if you know us, and you do know us, Jack, I am a major short seller, and I love to see things fall. And I don't like these. I mean, you're right. I could just buy it, right? It's basically, for those who don't know, UVXY is like, it's like the opposite of the SPY. I think, I'm pretty sure. So it's like the SPY upside down, and Jack can confirm, but it's like, so instead of shorting the SPY, you can just go long the UVXY, and it's safer. But I mean, it's not like, but the SPY isn't a penny stock, and it's not going to parabolic 100% probably ever. And if it does, then I deserve to lose. So I'm not really bothered about shorting. Like, there's no fees or anything, and me broker's not going to kick us out for being short $3,000 SPY. When you have those green day nice when you have those green days moods, I think needed. Yeah, dude, I've been really struggling. I mean, so like, I wish 10,000. I've got some daft losses, but the market's getting really good, so doing much better. 1,200 on the month, which is crap, but the good thing, like, I came home and just me trading sucked. So at least on the year now, 1,290. I had a really bad September, just moving home and stuff and changing, but I'm like, from this 1,290, I'm $300 off account all-time highs, which is really good. I'm really happy with that. So if the SPY fucking rolls over, then that's it. WEI. Yeah, God knows what to do with that. Nice parabolic. Look, it's obviously a short at some point, but God knows when. The volume's too high. Again, like, I'd like to take like 50 shares, and then if it goes 400% up, take 100 shares, and I'm sure I would make money. I mean, just for fun, let's see. Yeah, like, brokers won't even give you borrows for the shit because it's too dangerous. All right, well, 45 minutes, I'm done. Thank you everyone for watching. Very proud of a 1K dip on live stream publicly. Hope you all learned a lot of lessons in the ACOR trade, a lot of lessons in the KXIN trade. Love the Facebook trade. Peace and love.